Dear friends, welcome to online classes Pharmacy Lecture Notes. Today we are going to discuss Human Anatomy and Physiology, D Pharma first year, and chapter is Tissue. And here also we are using Odia language so that it is easy to understand. So first syllabus, elementary tissue of the body, mainly four different type of tissue, epithelial, muscular, connective and nervous tissue are in the syllabus. And what are the different question comes in OSBP? Define tissue, classify them, briefly discuss the epithelial tissue, 2 plus 3 plus 10 marks in 2013. Same question again repeated in 2015, 6 plus 9 marks. So mainly from the tissue chapter, epithelial tissue, long question comes. Apart from this, sometimes nervous tissue also comes as a short note. So let us discuss about the epithelial tissue in our first part of video, and the remaining muscular tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue we will discuss in the next video. So first, introduction. So the cell of the human body do not operate independently of one another. That means cell cannot work independently. It needs the combination. So instead related cells live and work together, or communication is called tissue. Or definition, a tissue is defined as a group of cells, similar structure. See one point, similar structure of cells are combined together that perform a common function, then only we can say the tissue, not the different structure. It is a similar type of cells are combined together to perform a common function. It is called tissue. तो टिश्यू कौन कहला बा काकू कह दिबो, ए ग्रुप ऑफ सेल और सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर और सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ सेल जदि मिसिबे आउ गोटे स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन कार्य करुथबे ताले हमें ताकू कहबा टिश्यू. जेतेबेले समान प्रकार रो समान स्ट्रक्चर रो सेल गुडाक मिसंती एवं गोटे स्पेशल फंक्शन कार्य करिथांती ताकू हमें कहबा टिश्यू. A tissue is defined as a group of cells of similar structure that perform a common function is called tissue. However, tissue do not consist entirely of the cells. That means between the cell, non-living materials or extracellular matrix are present. That means free space. When cells are combined together, in between the cells, there is free space where the non-living materials are also present, or that is called extracellular matrix. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଲ୍ ସେଲ୍ କମ୍ବିନେସନ୍ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଟିସ୍ୟୁ ତିଆରି କରନ୍ତି ତା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଫାଙ୍କା ସ୍ପେସ୍ ରହିଯାଏ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ନନ୍ ଲିଭିଂ ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ଆଉ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ସେଲୁଲାର ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିକ୍ସ ଗୁଡାକ ରହିଥାନ୍ତି. So the word tissue derives from the old French word meaning to weave, or reflecting the fact that the different tissue are woven together to form fabric of the human body. So there are four different type of tissue, that is epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. If a single broad function termed as assigned to each basic tissue, the term would be covering as epithelial, support as a connective, movement is a muscle and control is a nervous. However, these terms reflect only a fraction of the function that each tissue performs. ताले मेनली ये जो different type of tissue आम बॉडी रे अच्छी लाइक एपिथेलियल कौन पे कवरिंग पार्ट को देखुची बा कनेक्टिव सपोर्ट पार्ट को बा मूवमेंट पई मसल टिश्यू बा कंट्रोल पई नर्वस टिश्यू so there are four different type of tissue are present in our body so or classification of tissue the human body is composed of or it is made up of four different type of tissue epithelial connective muscular and nervous these tissue are vary in their composition and their function on the basis of their function it is divided into four types like epithelial or epithelium connective muscular and nervous so epithelium it covers surface or lines connective protect support bind together so muscular produce movement nervous receive stimuli and conduct impulses see the figure different type of tissue are present in our body or our body composed of four basic different type of tissue epithelium connective muscular and nervous and epithelium covers and lines the surface connective protect support and bind together muscular produce movement nervous tissue receives stimuli and conduct impulses so let us discuss one by one in this video we are going to discuss epithelium tissue in the next video connective muscular and nervous tissue so first epithelium or epithelial so an epithelial is a sheet of cells that cover a body surface or lines a body cavity it is a covering epithelium means covering either inner cover or inner surface or outer surface it is a sheet of cell that cover the body epithelial tissue occur two different forms covering and lining epithelium cover the outer and inner surface for example outer surface skin the inner lining surface hollow visceral such as stomach respiratory tube lining of the peritoneal cavity lining of the blood vessel এই সবগুলো so the inner lining of the blood vessel is made up of epithelial tissue inner lining of the stomach is made up of epithelial tissue inner lining of the respiratory tube like bronchi bronchioles trachea is made up of epithelial tissue so outer covering that is skin it is made up of epithelial tissue so the glandular epithelium also present in the body glands. So epithelial occur in the boundary between the two different environment. Is the either inner or outer. So the epidermis of the skin, for example, lies between the inside and outside the body. Most substances that enter into the body are released from the body or must pass through the epithelium. That means as the inner lining wall of the or inner lining wall is made up of epithelial tissue must passes through the epithelium when substance enter into the body suppose good example naba stomach or intestine ର inner lining wall ଟା ଯଦି epithelium ରେ tissue ହେଇଥାଏ ସେଠି absorption ଟା through epithelium ଦେଇକି ହବ through epithelium tissue ଦେଇକି ହବ suppose skin ର ଯଦି outer layer ଟା epithelium ହବ ଆମେ ମଲମ ଦଉଛେ ବା oil any type of substance ଯଦି use କରୁଛେ ସେଟା तो epithelium tissue ଦେଇକି pass ହବ so therefore all the function of the epithelial reflect their role as interface tissue ଆକାରରେ କାମ କରୁଛି like what are the functions of the epithelial tissue protection of the underlying tissue secretion release of the molecule from the cells absorption diffusion in the lungs filtration in the kidney absorption in the stomach and intestine, secretion and protection and sensory reception. So these are the function of epithelial tissue. Again quick recap. Epithelial tissue means covering. Either it may be outer or inner surface. Outer surface skin, inner surface the inner lining wall of the stomach, inner lining wall of the respiratory tube, inner lining wall of the peritoneal cavity, inner lining wall of the blood vessel. So what are the main function? That is protection, secretion, absorption, diffusion, filtration, sensory reception. These are the function of epithelial tissue. Now comes to the classification of epithelium. Well, one is simple, another one stratified. Simple means single layer. Stratified more than one layer. Again, simple classified, simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar on the basis of their see. So many kind of epithelia exist in the body. Two features are used to classify. ଆମେ ଦିଟାକୁ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁଛେ କଣ ନା number of cell layer ଆଉ the shape of the cell. That means on the basis of their number of cell layer it is divided into simple epithelia and stratified epithelia. See the figure. Simple single layer, simple single layer, and stratified more than one layer, that is stratified. So classification of epithelium it depends on their two features like number of cell layer, it is simple and stratified, shape of the cell either squamous or cuboidal or columnar, that means either flat shape, either spherical shape, either columnar shape. That is on the basis of their shape it is again divided into three types. First it is divided into on the basis of their layer. If it is single layer it is called simple epithelium. If it is more than one layer it is called stratified epithelium. Again simple epithelium is classified on the basis of their shape, means flat shape single layer, that is squamous, simple squamous, spherical, that is cuboidal, either column shape, that is columnar shape. So on the basis of their two features epithelium are classified simple epithelium and stratified epithelium. That means on the basis of the number of cell layer, each one features. Another features on the basis of their shape of the cell, that is squamous, cuboidal, columnar. The simple epithelium contain single layer of cell, each cell attached to the basement membrane. But in case of stratified epithelium contain more than one layer of cell. The cells are on the basal surface attached to the basement membrane. Those are apical border on an open surface. Simply more than one layer of cell is called stratified epithelium and single layer of cell is called simple epithelium. And cell shape is described squamous, cuboidal, columnar, referring to the appearance to the cell in the section. Each case cell or the shape of the nucleus conform to the shape of the cell. So this is an important feature to distinguish the types of epithelium. So squamous, it is a flat cells with flat and disc shaped nuclei. Cuboidal shape, cube shaped cell with spherical centrally located nucleus. Columnars are taller than they are wide like column. The nuclei of the columnar cells are located near the basal surface and are commonly oval shape, elongated from top to bottom. So see the classification: simple and stratified. Simple single layer, stratified more than one layer. Squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and another one pseudo stratified. See, simple squamous epithelium consists of single layer of flat cell that resembles on the tiles of the floor. Floor रे जो भलिया टाइल थाए से भलिया होची simple squamous epithelium. When viewed from the apical surface with a centrally located nucleus गुड़ाक centrally located, that is flattened or oval or spherical shape. This epithelium most commonly lie in the cardiovascular and lymphatic system. That means heart, blood vessel, lymphatic vessel. हमें कोठी देखी था सिंपल स्क्वामस cardiovascular system रे, lymphatic system रे, heart, blood vessel, lymphatic vessel, where it is known as endothelium, forms of epithelial layer or serous membrane, that is peritoneum or pleura, lungs रे, or pericardium. It is also found in the air sac in the lungs, or glomerulus, capsule of the kidney or inner surface of the tympanic membrane. So this is the location of the simple squamous epithelium and allow the material to pass through by diffusion or filtration or secretes lubricating substance. These are the function of simple squamous epithelium. बुझिला सिंपल स्क्वामस एपिथेलियम सिंगल लेयर फ्लैट सेल टाइल रो माने फ्लोर रो टाइल भलिया देखा जीवो कोठी अछि ना हार्ट ब्लड वेसल लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम रे कोन फंक्शन कोन करे ना अलाउ मटेरियल टू पास थ्रू डिफ्यूजन रे गैस एक्सचेंज हबा पई सहायता करे किडनी रे फिल्ट्रेशन पई सहायता करे काहे कि ना इनर लाइनिंग वॉल सेबासियस ग्लैंड जेमति ईयर रे सीक्रेट्स हवा पई सहायता करे लुब्रिकेटिंग करी रखता है ईयर ड्रम टाकू सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट फंक्शन ऑफ सिंपल स्क्वामस epithelium and it is present in the inner lining wall of the heart blood vessel lymphatic vessel eardrum capsule of kidney glomerulus lungs. This is the flat shape resembles to the tile on the floor. This is all about simple squamous epithelium. Now comes to the simple cuboidal. Simple means single layer. Cuboidal means cube shape. Epithelium, basement membrane are present that are round and have centrally located nucleus. Here nucleus are present at the center and it covers the surface of the ovary surface line the anterior surface of the capsule of the lens of the eye and pigmented epithelium at the posterior surface of the retina of the eye or kidney tubules or smaller duct of the various glands, secret portion of the some gland like thyroid glands or pancreas. So where the simple cuboidal epithelium are present, pancreas or kidney tubules or retina or ovary. These are the area where we found simple cuboidal epithelium. That means single layer cube shape or basement membrane is present. Now comes to the simple columnar epithelium. It is made up of single layer of cell, rectangular shape, basement membrane present. Simple means single layer, columnar, rectangular shape, epithelium, basement membrane is present. So where it is found in the stomach, the lines of the stomach or free surface of the columnar epithelium lining the small intestine, these are microvilli or provide vast surface absorption of the nutrient of the small intestine, or in the trachea, that is columnar epithelium is ciliated or goblet cell secrete mucus or uterine tube. That means where the simple columnar epithelium tissue are present. These are the area. So it is made up of single layer, rectangular shape, basement membrane is present, inner lining wall of the stomach, small intestine, or that means cilia or columnar ciliated epithelium where contain goblet cell which secrete mucus. So these are the function of simple columnar epithelium. Now stratified epithelium. More than one layer, several layer of cells, various shape, basement membrane are usually absent. Or usually, not all the time. Usually absent in case of stratified epithelium. So basal cell divide, daughter cell arising from the cell division are pushed older cell upward toward the apical layer. So as they move toward the surface away from the blood supply in underlying connective tissue, they become dehydrated and less metabolically active. Top protein predominant as cytoplasm is reduced and cell become top hard structure that are eventually die. At the apical layer, after dead cell, loose cell toxin. They are slowed up, but they are continuously replaced. A new cell emerge from the basal cell. There are two main types: stratified squamous, stratified cuboidal, and stratified squamous epithelium. Two layer, two or more than two layer of cell, and the cells are apical layer and several layer deep. To it, the squamous, while the cells deeper layer are vary from cuboidal to columnar. Again, stratified are keratinized and non-keratinized. So see, the keratinized, the epithelium develop a top layer of keratin in the apical segment of the cell and several layer deep into it. कौन कहला ना एपिथेलियम डेवलप थ्रू ए लेयर ऑफ केराटिन तेणु केराटिनाइज्ड स्ट्रैटिफाइड स्क्वामस epithelium. The relative amount of keratin increases the cell, they move away from the nutritive blood supply and organelle eventually die. The keratin forms a top relatively waterproof protective layer that prevent the dying the live cell present underneath. So keratinized stratified squamous epithelium are the superficial layer of skin. What do you na outer surface of the skin, superficial layer of the skin. Due to presence of keratin, see the increased cell they move away from the nutritive or blood supply. ताको blood supply दरकार नहीं और organelles eventually dead cell or die. So they are prevent drying of live cell present under due to presence of keratin. It is a waterproof protective layer. So now comes to the non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. This epithelium does not contain large amount of keratin. But in case of keratinized stratified epithelium, means the superficial layer of the skin contains keratin. But in case of non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, it does not contain large amount of keratin in the apical layer. It's several layers deep and moistened continuously by mucus from the salivary or mucus gland. Non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium lines wet surface like lining of the mouth, esophagus, epiglottis, pharynx, vagina, cover of the tongue, where the mucous glands are present or secretes mucus. Now comes to the stratified cuboidal epithelium. So, stratified cuboidal epithelium has multiple layers of cell in which the apical layer is made up of cuboidal cells, where the deeper layer is either cuboidal or columnar. But the apical layer is made up of cuboidal cell. So, stratified cuboidal epithelium seen in the excretory duct of salivary and sweat glands. Now comes to the stratified columnar epithelium. Stratified columnar epithelium has multiple layers of cell in which the apical layer is made up of columnar cell while the deeper layer is either cuboidal and columnar. So this type of epithelium is present in the conjunctiva of the eye, parts of the urethra and small area of anal mucosa. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium. So pseudostratified epithelium appears to have a several layer because nuclei of the cells are present at various levels. So nucleus are zigzag motion at various levels. So although all the cells are attached to the basement membrane in a single layer, some cells do not reach the apical surface. As a result, it appears as a multi-layer tissue, but in fact, it is a simple epithelium. This epithelium lines epididymis, larger duct of many glands and part of male urethra and airway of the most of the upper respiratory tract. So this is the area where pseudostratified columnar epithelium is present. Quick recap again, the epithelium. Epithelium তাহলে কাউ কইলা? Covering, inner covering or outer covering part. Main function कौन? Protection, secretion, absorption, diffusion, filtration or sensory reception. Classification को अनुसार ହେଇଛି ना फास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन लेयर अनुसार जदि सिंगल लेयर ହେଇଥିବ ताले सिंपल एपिथेलियम माने सिंगल लेयर रो गोटे गोटे इटा जेमति जोड़ी गोटे लंबा करिकरी ହେଇଥିବ अरेंजमेंट ताले हमें ताको कोन कहबा ना सिंपल एपिथेलियम सेल रो जदि गोटे 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 सेल थी सीधा फिगर वन वन सेल अरेंज ହେଇଛି ताको हमें कहबा सिंपल जदि मोर देन वन सेल ହେଇଥିବ ताले ताको कहबा स्ट्रैटिफाइड ए जो गोटे सेल रो अगेन ताको क्लासिफाई कला तार शेप आकार रे को भलिया शेप से सेल रो शेप गुडा आकार रे ताको स्क्वामस और क्यूबोइडल और कॉलम्नार तले जदि सी फ्लैट शेप हेतिबो स्क्वामस जदि स्फेरिकल शेप हेतिबो क्यूबोइडल जदि कॉलम शेप हेतिबो कॉलम्नार तले सिंपल स्क्वामस सिंपल क्यूबोइडल सिंपल कॉलम्नार आउ स्ट्रैटिफाइड स्क्वामस स्ट्रैटिफाइड क्यूबोइडल स्ट्रैटिफाइड कॉलम्नार आउ स्ट्रैटिफाइड एतिके होती epithelial tissue रो क्लासिफिकेशन तले सिंपल स्क्वामस कोन ना सिंगल लेयर हेतिबो सिंपल माने स्क्वामस माने से को भलिया शेप हेतिबो ना स्फेरिकल शेप हेतिबो आउ सेंट्रली लोकेटेड न्यूक्लियस हेतिबो फंक्शन कोन allow the material to pass through the diffusion or filtration or secrete lubricating substance similarly simple cuboidal को बड़े हेतिबो सिंपल माने सिंगल लेयर क्यूबोइडल माने क्यूब शेप एपिथेलियल माने बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन ऊपर गोटे सिंगल लेयर रो सेल गुडा को अरेंजमेंट कोडी पाइबा ना ट्यूबुल ऑफ द किडनी वेरियस ग्लैंड सेक्रेटरी पोर्शन ऑफ द ग्लैंड रे हम जिंचो गुडा रेटिना ए जिंचो ए ओभारी एठी हमें सिंपल क्यूबोइडल एपिथेलियम पाई परिबा सिंपल कॉलमनार कोन सिंगल लेयर कॉलम शेप बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन थी अब आम कोठी पाइबा सिक्रेटरी म्यूकस और यूटेरिन ट्यूब और यूट्रस ए जगह हमें माइक्रोविल्ली विल्ली दैट मींस इनर लाइनिंग वॉल ऑफ द स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन हमें स्ट्रैटिफाइड से बड़ा कोन सेवरल लेयर हिथियो सेठी सिंगल लेयर एठी मोर देन वन लेयर अब देन अगेन स्क्वामस क्यूबोइडल कॉलम स्क्वामस कोन तले मोर देन वन लेयर आउ स्ट्रैटिफाइड मींस मोर देन वन लेयर स्क्वामस मींस तारो स्फेरिकल शेप हेतिबो सेल गुडा को न्यूक्लियस गुडा को मिडिल पोजीशन रे थिबो एटा पुनी दि भाग रे केराटिनाइज्ड गुटे कराला नॉन केराटिनाइज्ड और अनकेराटिनाइज्ड स्ट्रैटिफाइड करा केराटिनाइज्ड माने कोन केराटिन टा कोथे केराटिन थिले कोन लाभ केराटिन थिले कोन हबो ना एठी के वाटर प्रूफ प्रोटेक्शन भलिया काम करियो कोठी अछि ना सुपरफिशियल लेयर ऑफ द स्किन कारण एठी सुपरफिशियल लेयर ऑफ द स्किन को ब्लड सप्लाई न न्यूट्रिटिव ब्लड सप्लाई so keratin is a top relatively waterproof protection superficial layer of the skin non keratinized kon does not contain large amount of keratin आउ कोठी हमें देखिबा ना जोठी तले सेल गुडा तो डेथ ही जिवो ब्लड सप्लाई सेति परिमाण रे होनो तेनु कोठी ना विथ द हेल्प ऑफ म्यूकस ग्लैंड एंड सैलिवरी ग्लैंड और lubricating agent like epiglottis pharynx vagina esophagus lining of the mouth ए जागा गुडा रे हमें non keratinized stratified squamous epithelium तापरे आसिला स्ट्रैटिफाइड क्यूबोइड कोन हितबो मल्टीपल लेयर रही आउ ट्यूब शेप रही कौटी पाइबा सलिवरी एंड स्वेट ग्लैंड. Similarly, stratified columnar, more than one layer, column shape. कौटी थिबो conjunctiva, urethra, anal mucosa, and pseudo stratified columnar epithelium. कौटी पाइबा epididymis or duct of the many glands and upper respiratory tract. So this is all about your classification of epithelium. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you understand. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.